In this quick video, I'm going to explain how to fix issues with Tesla door handles. Whether the handle is stuck, not retracting, or not responding, here's how you can troubleshoot and resolve the problem. First, check for dirt, debris, or ice buildup around the handle. Use a soft cloth or brush to gently clean the area. For frozen handles, pour lukewarm water over them to melt any ice, but avoid using hot water as it can damage the sensors. If the handle feels loose or isn't retracting properly, inspect the alignment. Sometimes a misaligned handle can be fixed by manually pulling it out and pushing it back in firmly. If the issue continues, restart your car to reset the system. Turn it off completely, wait 30 seconds, and turn it back on. For electronic issues, ensure your Tesla's software is updated. Outdated firmware can cause glitches with the door sensors. If the handle still doesn't respond, check the fuse box for blown fuses related to the door system, or consult your owner's manual for guidance. If none of these steps work, there may be a mechanical or electrical fault, and you'll need to contact Tesla support or visit a service center for professional repair. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more Tesla troubleshooting tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and enjoy hassle-free access to your Tesla.